Hello, in this video I'm gonna introduce you to some Shona homonyms. Mazwi akafanana. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings. They are divided into two types. They are what are called homographs, words that share the same spelling regardless of pronunciation, and homophones, words that share the same pronunciation regardless of spelling. Homophones are not common in Shona, so I'll share with you homographs. And our first word is Denga. Denga can mean the sky. It can also mean the roof, and is the same word that is used to refer to heaven. Tsanga. It can be an eye cataract, a reed, which is a plant, or a grain of seed. Next word is Zara. Zara means hunger or drought. So when you're hungry, you can say Ndine Zara. That means I am hungry. The third word there is nail, but the pronunciation differs a little bit. It's pronounced Zara. That's a nail. Next word is Dororo. Doro means beer. And then the other meaning is wetland, which is pronounced as Doro. Doro. Another word is Imba. Imba means house, but it also means sing or to sing. Kamba means tiny or small house, and Kamba means tortoise, the animal. So the pronunciation also differs there. The other word is Mutskwi. Mutskwi. Same pronunciation for all the three words. It can mean a rainbow, it can mean a crack, or a pestle. A pestle is a pounding stick, a traditional pounding stick used in Zimbabwe. Last but not least is the word guru. Guru means big or polygamy. But when you are pronouncing it for tribe, is guru. Guru. Here's our summary of the 8 ways that we have covered. We said Denga is for sky, roof and heaven. Tsanga is for eye cataract, reed or seed. Zara for drought and hunger. Zara for nail, as in fingernails or toenails. Doro for beer and Doro for wetland. Imba for house and Imba for sing. Kamba for tiny or small house and Kamba for tortoise. Mutskwi is for rainbow, a crack or a pestle. Guru is big or polygamy, and then Guru for tribe. That's all for now. Thank you. See you in the next recording. Goodbye.